and welcome to the playground, little birdo. It's a little creepy, alright. Oh, and welcome, you seem a little weirdo. You might get a little sleepy, alright. Oh, and welcome to your little nightmare. You might be hallucinating tonight. We're messing with your head until the time that you're dead. So don't even try to fight. Oh, hallucinations, la la la. Oh, hallucinations, imagination. Oh, hallucinations, la la la. Oh, hallucinations, imagination. Oh, and welcome to our twisted game. We'll make sure you scream our name. And oh, and welcome to our little world where everything is upside down and swirled. Oh, and welcome to the depths of our minds where the darkness reigns and the light never shines. Oh, hallucinations, la la la. Oh, hallucinations, imaginations. Oh, hallucinations, la la la. Oh, hallucinations. Don't provoke us or we will push you downhill. Might be pretty but we're still bitter as much as we're sweet. Like it under the sheets, baby, lost you. Don't provoke us or we will. Baby, don't you, don't provoke us or we will push you downhill. Might be pretty but we're still bitter as much as we like it under the sheets. Baby, don't you, don't provoke us or we will.
When punctures comes to kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones. I'll dance, 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 dance. You got the head, I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. You got the head, I'm gonna dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands above my head, like Jesus said, I'm gonna dance. With my hands above my Bye.